Okay, what have we got today? GJ is just going to release these budget dimple pick sets, and what he's basically come up with is a budget range of tools to open locks, dimple type locks, and this one here is for the Apex and Miele. This one here is for the Yao. We've got a universal type one here, the little slider pick, which is pretty straightforward and simple. And what you're going to do is you insert the tension tool into the lock, put your tension on, and then this line that's on here been engraved into the tool, you line up with the indication marks at the side, and that will tell you which pin you're working on. I don't particularly need that, I can do that by feel, but especially if you're learning at the beginning, you know when you're going through picking stuff, you know which one you're on, which one you're under. We've got an Apex 3 star here. I've got a key here somewhere, so it's a fully working lock. We've taken it out of the door, redundant. And so obviously these are very simple to pick anyway, but just to show you how the tool works, I don't know whether to put it on an angle like this or an angle like that, you know, to try and get you to see the markings lining up. You can tell it's a thumb turn tool, because when you put the tension arm in, you got some spring back here, so we'll push it all the way back to lock, put some pressure on, and what we're looking for, we're going to go through frettling on the top of the picks, and then we're looking for quite a dramatic drop on the plug, and then when we got the plug, a drop on the plug, we know that we should be just left hanging up on the sliders, which are very easy to finish. So there we've got a big drop there already. It didn't take very long, as per usual with these types of cylinders. So we're going to go, so you'll see here the drop on the cylinder, on the plug. So put this back in, we'll give a little frettle through with the little slider tool, and there we go, picked. Obviously you need to keep the pressure on to turn the cam, but does the job very easily. Pretty simple locks to pick anyway, but so you got one for this Apex, one for the Yale Superior range, and the Malenkos, and even a little universal. Enjoy picking. Cheers.